my name is Paul Berberian. I'm the CEO of Orbotics. We're the creators of Sphero and Sphero 2B, our new robot. It are essentially a whole class of connected toys, and we're coming to you from CES.
So let's start by where did this whole concept come from, dating back to the original Sphero?
So the idea came from our two founders. They wanted to use their smartphone to do something special. They didn't want to just have it control a light switch. They wanted to do a new experience. So they came up with this idea to build new class of toys, connected toys, and write really amazing software that worked with really amazing hardware.
Talk a little about the first product and how you're pushing things forward then with the second one.
So the first product is Sphero, the robot ball you control with your smartphone. We have over 30 apps for it now. And what happened with Sphero is it's such a wild success. We said, how do we extend this? How do we expand it to be even more fun? So we decided, well, let's create another new form factor, because the ball was, something that no one ever really roboticized and commercialized in the way that we have. So we came up with this idea of elongating it and creating a tube. And we made the tube all about going really fast and jumping and crashing and playing player versus player with laser tag type games.
So let's go back to the original one. Talk a little about some of the different games that are available for it, and then we'll jump into the games on 2.2B.
Okay. So with the original Sphero, there's over 30 apps now. So the basic app allows you to level up and go on missions where it tracks, like if you have certain collisions, or you can only turn at right angles. And as you progress through this, you will earn new tricks and capabilities. We also have a suite of augmented reality apps where the ball, where you look at the ball through your camera on your iPhone or Android device. The ball gets removed out of the frame and gets replaced with a three-dimensional animated character that's walking around your house. So think of your favorite superhero running around in your kitchen. And you have the ability to take photos and videos of that. We also have a series of games that our developers are more adult games, like drinking games, like hot potato. But it's really great for kids, but you could also use it as a drinking game. We have programming apps that allow you to program the ball. So even if you're very young as 8 years old, you can learn to program the ball to do certain autonomous tasks, all the way on up to college level types of capabilities.
How are you pushing games forward with the new device?
So the new device, for the new Robot 2B, we're really focusing on player versus player. So they have the ability to shoot each other. They have the ability to do like race tracks using the beacon capability and with Bluetooth Low Energy. So it's about racing, it's about jumping, it's about tumbling, it's about crashing, it's about going outside and having a lot of fun. You can also use it inside to torment the cat or dog as usual with the ball.
Can you talk about the technology that's inside of these things?
Sure. So the way Sphero and 2B both operate is they have an internal navigation system, and it allows us to change the point of focus from the object to the user. So the units, both robots, will always go forward what you think forward is, not what the robot thinks forward is. And that technology really transforms the gameplay experience. The way they move is by essentially displacing their center of gravity. It's kind of like a hamster inside of a ball, right? It runs up on the side of the ball and it falls over. And that's essentially what we do. We just happen to do it 400 times a second.